Hey guys, Dr. Charizard Pokemon here. Today that's right, Pokemons. So today I'll be opening up Chilling Reign and 2 Brilliant Stars. And today I'm joined here with my brother. He'll be opening up 2 Pokemon Go packs and 2 Brilliant Stars. He's already opened 2 of his Pokemon Go packs and from the Alolan Executor V box. And these are his V's. So we have Alolan Executor, Zacian V, Full Art. He pulled Dragonite V out of the Pokemon Go pack. He has Rillaboom V, pulled from yesterday. Greninja V, that he pulled from yesterday. And last but not least, Raichu V, that he pulled today. So those are my brother's V cards, and he has pulled Radiant Venusaur. He was so happy that he got it today. But without further ado, let's get right into these packs, shall we, guys? So my brother's going to move his V's, and I'm going to set you guys right up on my setup. Please excuse my setup. I'm trying to talk a little bit clearer in my intros now, so I hope you guys don't mind it. But anyway, let's get into it. So I'll just carefully set you there. And there we go. So who's going to open their first pack? So my brother has volunteered to open up his first pack on this video today. Today is kind of a special day. I did upload a video today. There is the code card for anyone that wants it, even though you guys don't care. And yes, he's going to do 4 to the back, 4 from the back to the front, and then he'll get underway. So Visit Energy, Double Turbo Energy, Probo Pass, Prinplup, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, Bidoof, Milk Drop as the reverse, and on the very end, Druddigon.
Ooh.
Not a very good pack, but still, Druddigon. Now, let's move on. So, I had bought 2 Chilling Reign packs and 3 Brilliant Star packs, but sadly I have opened one of my Chilling Reign and one of my Brilliant Stars. But I'll quickly show you guys what I pulled from Chilling Reign. Just give me a minute here, guys. As you know, in the last video, I opened up my first ever Elite Trainer box, which was Fusion Strike. But here is the card I pulled from Chilling Reign. Shadow Rider, Calyrex VMAX. Pretty good card. And yeah, with my Brilliant Stars, I didn't get any good cards, but that's okay, because they're just Pokemon packs. So I'll be opening up my last Chilling pack here. Well, not my very last, but opening up the last pack I have, and then we'll show you guys what I will get. So give me a second here, guys. Alrighty, I've got the pack opened. Oops. QR code. Any of you guys wants it, even though it doesn't matter. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, and let's get started. So we have the Water Energy, Karen's Conviction, Weeding Gloves, Porygon 2, Ralts, Venipede, Bonsweet, Lapras, Blitzel Rapid Strike, Weedle Single Strike Reverse, and on the very end, Viper Single Strike. So we didn't get any good cards there except for the reverse. But yeah, so now my brother's going to be opening up one of his Pokemon Go packs.
Yeah, I'm doing my second Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars, sorry.
Sorry, he's opening up his second Brilliant Stars. So he'll be commentating. There's the code card for you guys. So he'll be
Commentating, yeah.
Yes, his own Pokemon packs. So
That's fine.
please don't judge him. But this is my brother.
We got Fire Energy, Pot Helmet, Exeggutor, Frenzen Gala, Sork, cool artwork, Corfish, Golett, Chimicho, Chimchar, Reverse Hitmontop, and then Bibarel, Hollow.
So, kind of a good card, guys. But he still has 2 packs to see if he can get that Ditto from Pokemon Go.
Oh yeah.
So, my turn now. We'll be opening up Brilliant Stars with Shaman on the front. So let me just get it open and then we'll get started.
Cool Bibarel, not gonna lie. Good artwork.
Alright, so I got it opened. Code card for you guys at home. And let's get into it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So like I said in my Elite Trainer Box video, I said that I'll be doing 4 to the front off camera now. So we have the Fighting Energy Choice Belt. We've got this little rodent. We've got this let's just move on. We have Weasel. We have Little Gibble here. We have Trapinch in the sand. We have Cast Form. Throch. Ultra Ball Reverse. That's nice. And on the very end,
Barrel Hollow.
Bibarel Hollow, like my brother's one. Next pack. This one is Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go pack.
So let's see if my brother can get that Ditto.
Code card if he's won it. Dark Energy, Chansey, Spark, Arados, Bidoof, Magikarp, Apalm, Melton, Squirtle. Oh, Reverse Pikachu with the hats, and then a Lapras Hollow.
Alright, guys.
Nice.
You got a Pikachu reverse. That's kind of cool. Okay, so now it's my turn with my last Brilliant Stars pack. But it's got Charizard on the front. So let's see if this big boy will give us some good luck. Oops. Oh. Ripped the pack, guys. I ripped it. Alright. Code card for you guys. Now, let's do this thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Now, let's get it on. So we have the Fire Energy. We have Marnie's Pride. We've got this unknown mysterious creature. We have Freshwater Set. We have Clink. We have Spirit Tomb. Axew.
Impidimp.
Goblin. or what my brother said.
Impidimp.
Magma.
Cool.
Sorry, guys. Dradigon reverse. Ooh. And give me a drum roll, please, my brother. Full art Honchkrow V, guys. Oh my lord.
I didn't really do much of a drum roll, but that's really sick.
But guys, a full art. That is so cool. And on our last pack too, guys. Jesus. So let's move on from that. But yeah. So my brother's last
Now, my last pack. Code card, then use on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Fire energy. Oh shit. Bad. Steelix.
Guys.
Xatu. Candela.
Uh-oh, guys. I saw something good at the back.
Ambipom. Slowpoke. Bibarel. Spinarak. Pidove.
Drum roll, please.
Reverse Ambipom. Oh, and a full art Professor's Research.
That is sick, guys.
That is awesome.
So, last packs, full arts, guys. So, I hope you definitely enjoyed this video. Please, I'd like 1 subscriber from you guys. If you don't want to, that's fine. But I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And my second part of my Pokemon collection will be coming out in a couple days. But hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.